Welcome to a journey of healing. Aging should not be defined by the persistent aches that hold you back from enjoying life's simple and beautiful moments. Today, we will focus on restoring the natural flexibility of your legs using gentle exercises you can easily perform right in the comfort of your own home. Imagine the pain fading away as we apply simple, natural movements to revitalize the tissues and strengthen the supporting muscle groups surrounding your joints right now. You might have struggled to climb stairs or stand up quickly before, but those days of limited mobility are about to become a thing of the past. By following these natural solutions, you can avoid invasive medical interventions and regain the active lifestyle you deserve without any expensive equipment or difficult gym routines. I am here to guide you through every single step, ensuring you feel safe and supported as we unlock your body's incredible innate potential for self-healing. This approach is entirely natural, focusing on the mechanics of your body to provide long-lasting relief from chronic discomfort that has bothered you for many years. Let us begin by understanding why your knees hurt and how we can use science-backed movement to turn your body into its own best physical therapist. To fix the problem, we must first understand the mechanism of pain. Your knees are like complex machinery that requires constant maintenance and care to function. Inside your joints, there is a specialized fluid called synovial fluid. This acts as a natural lubricant, allowing your bones to glide smoothly against each other. When we remain sedentary, this fluid can become stagnant. Movement is the pump that circulates this oil, keeping the surfaces slippery and the cartilage very healthy. Take a moment now to gently touch your own knee. Notice any areas that feel tight or warm, as this is your body's way of communicating. By checking your current level of comfort, you establish a baseline. Never push through sharp pain. Instead, we want to work within a range that feels safe. Think of movement as the natural lubrication for your joints. The more we move correctly, the more we reduce the friction that causes chronic pain and stiffness. Stimulating the surrounding muscles is just as important as moving the joint itself. We are building a support system to take the pressure off your bones. These subtle contractions help prepare the area for the exercises ahead. It is like warming up the engine of a car before you start driving it. Even if your joints show signs of wear and tear, the body is remarkably resilient. We can improve function and comfort at any age through consistent habit. Are you ready to start? We will go slowly, focusing on quality of movement rather than speed. Your journey to pain-free living starts with this first step. Make sure you are sitting in a chair that is stable and allows your feet to touch the ground comfortably. Keep your back straight and relaxed. Posture is the foundation of every exercise. By sitting tall, you align your hips and spine, which allows your legs to move more efficiently and safely. Now, slowly extend your right leg out in front of you. Do this with control, feeling the muscles on the top of your thigh begin to engage. Point your toes up toward the ceiling. This simple adjustment activates the entire front of your leg, providing stability to the knee joint during the hold. Hold this position for 5 seconds. Feel the strength building in your quadriceps. These muscles are the primary shock absorbers for your precious knee joints today. Gently lower your foot back to the floor. The downward phase is just as important for building strength as the upward phase, so keep it very smooth. Now, let us repeat the movement with the left leg. Remember to breathe naturally and keep your upper body still as you lift and extend your foot. There is no need to rush. We are teaching your muscles how to support your weight, taking the burden off the sensitive cartilage inside the knee joint. Continue alternating between your right and left legs. We will do this 10 times on each side to properly wake up the muscles and joint fluid. Your quadriceps are like a protective shield. When they are strong and active, they reduce the impact on your bones every time you walk or stand. Take a short breath here. You are doing a wonderful job. Consistency is the secret to seeing real progress in your mobility and your overall comfort. Notice how each repetition feels slightly easier than the last. That is the synovial fluid being pumped into the joint, making the movement feel much smoother. Check your form in the mirror if you can. Ensure your knee is not locking painfully at the top. Keep a very tiny, soft bend there. Well done. You have just completed the first set. This simple move is one of the most effective ways to treat knee pain naturally at home. Keep this exercise in your daily routine. It takes only a few minutes but provides hours of relief by keeping your supporting muscles active and strong. Next, we will move on to the second exercise. This one focuses on the range of motion and circulation in the lower half of your body. This is the seated knee lift. Imagine you are marching in place while sitting down. Lift your right knee about 5 inches off the chair seat. This movement stimulates blood flow and brings vital nutrients to the lower limbs. It also helps loosen up the hip joints which affect knee health. Switch to the left side now. Keep the pace steady and rhythmic. It is not about how high you can go, but how controlled you are. Inhale deeply as you lift your knee, and exhale fully as you lower it back down. Deep breathing delivers more oxygen to your healing muscle tissues. Stay focused on the sensation of your breath moving in and out. This mindful approach helps reduce stress and allows your body to heal more effectively. Try to keep your torso as still as possible. Avoid leaning back into the chair, as this ensures your leg and core muscles are doing the work. Land your feet softly on the ground. We want to avoid any jarring movements that could irritate the joints. Imagine you are walking on soft clouds. If you feel comfortable, you can try lifting your knee a little higher with each repetition. Listen to your body and find your own perfect range. Increased circulation is like a cleaning crew for your joints, removing inflammatory markers and bringing in the building blocks for repair and better mobility today. Keeping your hands on your hips can help you feel if your pelvis is staying level. Stability in the hips creates a safer environment for knees. Every lift is a victory. You are actively participating in your own recovery, choosing movement over stiffness and health over chronic pain with every single representative. Final 2 repetitions now. Make them the best ones yet. Slow down even more to really feel the muscles working through the entire range of motion. And relax. Take a moment to feel the warmth in your legs. That is the feeling of life and energy returning to your lower body joints. This exercise is perfect for doing while watching television or sitting at a desk. It keeps you moving even during your sedentary times of the day. We are almost finished with our routine. The final exercise is designed to release any remaining tension and improve the flexibility of your entire leg. Let us focus on the ankles now. Rotate your right ankle in a large, slow circle. The health of your ankles directly impacts your knee alignment. By freeing up the ankle joint, we allow the knee to move in its proper track, reducing the twisting forces that often lead to chronic pain. Switch directions now. Feel the stretch in your calf and the top of your foot. This releases the tension that travels up the leg to the knee. Now, do the same with your left ankle. Try to make the circles as large and smooth as possible without causing any discomfort or clicking sounds. This should feel very relaxing. It is a moment to let go of any stress you have been carrying in your lower body throughout the entire day. After the rotations, give your muscles a gentle pat. Use your hands to lightly tap your thighs and calves. This technique helps to further relax the tissues. Shake your legs out just a little bit. Imagine any remaining pain or stiffness simply falling away from your body and onto the floor below you. The warmth from your own hands can be very soothing. Hold them over your knees and send a positive thought to these joints that support you. Healing is as much about your mindset as it is about movement. Believe that your body can and will feel better with each passing day and session. How do your legs feel now? Many people notice an immediate sense of lightness and a reduction in the dull ache that usually accompanies their morning. This final step ensures that your body integrates the work we have done, leaving you feeling balanced and ready to move throughout your day with ease. Watch how I stand up now. Notice the strength in my legs and the lack of hesitation. This is what we are aiming for together every day. Walking feels different when your joints are lubricated and your muscles are awake. It becomes a joy rather than a chore to move across the room. Remember, always listen to your body's signals. If anything ever feels sharp or wrong, stop immediately and consult with a professional to stay safe and healthy. The world is waiting for you to explore it. Don't let knee pain keep you inside when there is so much beauty to experience out there. Congratulations on completing this session. By taking these few minutes for yourself, you have made a significant investment in your long-term health and your happiness. Consistency is the most powerful medicine we have. If you can do these exercises every single morning, you will be amazed at the transformation in weeks. Think of this as a daily gift to your body. You are providing the care and attention that your joints have been craving for a long time. Your knees have carried you through life for many decades. Now, it is your turn to support them and give them the movement they need to thrive. If you found this helpful, please explore our other videos for more natural ways to manage pain and improve your overall physical well-being and strength. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new routine. We are building a community of people dedicated to aging gracefully and healthily. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep moving, stay positive, and remember that your best years are still ahead of you today. Every small effort counts, whether you did 1 representative or 20. You have started the process of change. Be proud of yourself for showing up today. Health is a journey, not a destination. Take it one day at a time, and let nature and movement do the wonderful work they were meant to. Goodbye for now, my friends. Stay active, stay happy, and I will see you very soon for our next natural health and wellness exercise session together. Live your life to the fullest, free from pain. You have the power to change your story starting right now. Thank you for watching our guide. Today's for watching our video.